While army officials looked on, families looked helpless as places they once called home were bulldozed.
Kube at least basinikeza inotice ukuthi basuselane for sure maybe kube si aware asikho aware ngalento ezakalayo. I'm very painful lokunjani enhlizweni yami inhliziyo yami ibhlungu kakhulu.
One woman who lived with her family in a 3-story home could only watch in despair as demolition excavators tore through the property.
Abasitsheli lutho izolo bavele bafika sebesithi khipha okukhiphayo siyachitha sithi asisakhipha kwabe kuthiwa nansi next door phumani izinto zethu nje nizibona lapha sizikhuphe manje ezinye asilalanga ngize ngilimele le ndlu ngiyenze for 3 years downstairs ngiyenze 1 year full second floor 1 year full third floor 1 year full isikhostile because bengenamanzi besingena drain bekufanele sisigubhele indawo esizokwazi ukuthi nje senza lendlu sifuna phela nokuphila impilo engcono.
While the city of Ekurhuleni says the crackdown is linked to illegal mining activities, some residents allege that certain police officers are working with criminals.
Crystal Park police station corrupt kakhulu. Amaveni wakhona angena ekseni angena ntambama ahamba wonke lamaspaza akhona lapha kulomkhukhu bahamba ba collect imali each and every day, and then if ever ungaba na something la umuntu akuphathe kabi la uthi reporter emapholiseni ase Crystal Park bona bamfonela futhi kuthi nanga umuntu la uthi wena uyamhlupha. Alright, mawujika wena ngani mawufika ngapha uzofa yila bantu bamazamazama bebasebenza namaphoyisa. Namhlanje sikule situation ngendawo yomasipala namaphoyisa wala.
One matriculant says they have been stripped of their dignity.
Studies the junior exam diaqala soon. How not to robala jang, there's no electricity, there's no water. O hlapaka engwe ya sekolong ka eng. How would you learn ka khandlela? Mukuku uwile, o lena ka ntle, wa hatsela. It's totally wrong. It's a gross human rights. It's totally wrong.
The city says there is an area that has been identified to move all verified households, but it says the demolitions will continue. For News from Africa on Channel 405, I'm Katla Osogoto in Benoni, Ekurhuleni.